Massive rise continues. We have now recorded over 5 days straight price pump. Fake token feed every gorilla token fake is massively increasing. Today, fake token have already hit 16% increase in price. Yesterday we recorded about 14%, and of course 2 days ago we recorded 9%. And for fake token, they have actually gained over 100% within the past 5 days, and I'm happy to see this. Now, feed every gorilla token, of course, right now they are hot. So many crypto coins are on red, so many crypto coins are losing. Even BTC is struggling to hit 1% increase, and you can see fake is already hitting 16% increase. And of course, a lot of people are actually pushing their investment to fake. Recently, everybody wants to make money from the recent pump in price, and for me, I think 16% is a good way to start and to end this month. If they can continue this way before the end of the month, we might be recording fake token hitting over 300% increase in price for the month of March, and I'm expecting the market cap to cross over $50 million, and that is this month. Right now the market cap have actually hit over $30 million, which is amazing. I'm happy to see this. It simply means in the past 24 hours over $5.4 million has been pumped into fake token. Over $5.4 million. Now the market cap is currently trading at $30,749,000 at the time of recording this. Fake token is massively increasing. Well, let's hope for the best, and I hope this will continue, just like Shiba Doge did early this year, all the way from $5.6 million to over $5 million, $36 million market cap. And of course, they maintain that high level for months right now. So I want to see fake token feed every gorilla also maintain such high level market cap and price increase before the end of this month. Right now, fake token is currently trading with about 9 zeros, and I believe very soon we'll be seeing this coin deleting between 1 to 4 or 5 zeros. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.